हेलो एंड वेलकम टू आवर साइड हसल इंटरव्यू सीरीज। आज भी हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है। थैंक्स सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अ लाइटनिंग क्विक इंट्रो। आपका नाम, आपका कॉलेज, आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं एंड आपका साइड हसल क्या है?
So I'm Prerna. I've been working as a freelance social media marketer for around 3.5 years. I started when I was in class 10 and I'm currently studying a distance learning course with Micah about communications and marketing. And then, yeah, that's about me.
Freelancing class 10 से?
Yeah.
Damn, let me quickly process that and we'll come back to this. But
Absolutely.
just to get a better idea, कॉलेज में होते हुए एक महीने में on an average आप कितना कमा लेते हैं?
It used to range from around 1 to 1.2, but good months may, thankfully, I used to reach 1.5 when I didn't have exams, obviously. And then, yeah.
Got it. And so you started freelancing in class 10.
Yeah.
Right? How did that journey happen? आपने कैसे start किया? स्कूल में इसका idea ही कैसे आया?
So I had no clue about freelancing. I didn't know I wanted to pursue that. But I used to watch all of these side hustle videos on YouTube. It's all free. All the resources I took was for free. And even right now, I can't process this. But yeah, that is how it was.
Class 10th में अगर कोई मुझे 50,000 रुपए दे दे महीने की
I know.
money, I would feel like some billionaire.
I know.
Elon Musk के बाद I think
Same feeling. I know, right? Same feeling.
Absolutely brilliant. But I'm sure parents थोड़े से मतलब freak out हुए होंगे कि भाई पढ़ाई में तो ध्यान ही नहीं है and you know side hustle में ज़्यादा ध्यान है. How did that conversation happen?
I've been there. I've been scolded as well. So वो ठीक है. But always remember जब पैसा घर में आएगा मना नहीं करेंगे वो लोग, रोकेंगे नहीं. So always keep that in mind. पैसा घर में आ रहा है, पढ़ाई कर लो, focus on that, time block. And if you can balance both, no one will say no. You will have leverage anyway because you are earning money. Always remember that works with Indian parents a lot.
Got it. I guess पैसा बोलता है तो
Exactly. Money talks, man.
Money
Any
talks.
day.
Got it. And take us through your routine. एक दिन में कॉलेज के लिए आप कितना टाइम अलग रखते हो, साइड हसल के लिए कितना टाइम अलग रखते हो?
I wake up at like 10. I think I'm not the 6 a.m. girly. I think I can't do that. I take some time to just like reply to, you know, chats and, you know, my clients and all of that because that's very important communication because you're working remotely, right? And I time block and I work very well under stress. So when I know, okay, exams are around the corner, I study at that point of time. But overall, 1 or 2 hours for studying and probably 4 to 5 hours for freelancing. I think that is how it works for me. Exams के टाइम दोनों 8-8 घंटा हो जाता है, but you know what, that is how it works, right? पैसा कमाना है, थोड़ा स्ट्रगल करना होगा. Yeah.
Take me back to the time जब आप क्लास 10th में थे and आप क्लाइंट्स को अप्रोच कर रहे थे, projects, right?
Yeah.
कभी ऐसा हुआ कि they didn't realize it कि आप काफी ज्यादा ओल्ड होंगे, 16 से तो ज्यादा ही ओल्ड होंगे, and suddenly they were like, wait, hold up. What just happened?
Oh my God.
Something like that ever?
पहले तो अभी I used to get this a lot. Okay, 2-3 clients of mine like कि सब ठीक है ना घर में, मतलब पैसा क्यों कमाना है इस एज में, सब hopefully everything is going fine. And they were not sarcastic, they were very like genuine. They're like ठीक है ना. I was like हाँ ठीक है, मतलब पैसा कमाना है. And this culture is not there in India, which I think it's improving because of you guys, because of you know, the information that you guys are putting across. And yeah, I think it used to happen, but confidence helped me a lot. If you know what you're good at, they don't care.
इस skepticism की वजह से कभी थोड़ा भी imposter हुआ कि am I not good enough? Like I'm 16, 17, शायद मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, right?
ऐसा बहुत होता था. I was like कि should I charge this much? Am I worth it? I was so scared कि मतलब क्या बोलूँ मैं? What if they ask some question and I don't know that answer? Trust me, if you know what you're doing, you're good to go. Keep that in mind and you will learn. Even right now, I'm learning something new every single day, which is crazy. So don't have that block. You'll keep on learning and improving, and that's the best part about freelancing. So yeah.
So अपनी side hustle income से आप Bangalore जैसे expensive शहर में रहे, right? Independently.
Yeah.
How do you manage your money?
I think money motivates me, and spending on myself also motivates me a lot. So I have a 10K Nykaa budget. Always.
I love that.
Yeah, 10K Nykaa budget. मतलब जो खरीदना है, if it's like makeup, skincare, whatever I want, I buy it. If I don't need it, obviously it will just be there. And invest करना है. People, I used to have this misconception myself, right? Where अच्छा जब मैं 1 लाख, 2 लाख, 3 लाख कमाऊंगी तब जाके I'll save. that's not how it works. Saving is more of a discipline. Investing is more of a discipline. So back then when I started earning money, I have an SIP, like 1,000 rupees. And then I kept on increasing that and have an emergency fund because you never know. There are dry months as well, right? So obviously keep that in mind. Save, guys.
Yeah, emergency fund, underline.
Exactly.
Then that's a great point कि saving starts at whatever income level. जरूरी नहीं है कि
Yeah.
certain threshold के बाद ही आप
Exactly.
करना शुरू करोगे.
Exactly.
Tell me about time blocking. जैसे
Yep.
आपने कहा, time management के लिए आप क्या-क्या tools use करते हैं?
Yeah, I personally use Google Calendar. It's very, very simple, so to the point. It's very easy to use, and you have to always remember, don't hoard the information, okay? You have to always keep on executing when it comes to upskilling or when it comes to using a tool. Agar tool seekhne mein you keep on spending your time, it does not make sense. So use a very easy tool, which is Google Calendar and Notion. I think my life depends on Notion. So I personally use that a lot. And yeah, time block. Probably if I have 3 clients, I write client A, 2 hours, client 2, 2 hours, client 3, 2 hours, and study. If I have an exam, if I want to upskill anyway, that 2 hours. So yeah, it's damn easy.
Got it. Google Calendar and Notion.
Yeah.
अगर हम upskilling की बात करें,
Yeah.
right? आप updated कैसे रहते हो? How do you keep yourself informed with
The
social media trends?
Yeah. Thankfully, I use my phone a lot. मतलब इतना मैं use करती हूँ, so it kind of goes hand in hand because I'm a social media marketer. So when I'm scrolling through Reels, I kind of get content ideas as well. Thankfully, I'm very grateful of my job right now at this point of time. Otherwise, you can do free courses on Coursera, edX. Paid ones, I would suggest if you're looking for a freelancing course, go for Saheli. Saheli's 101 Freelance 101 Academy. It's very good.
To give you some context, she's talking about Saheli Chatterjee, जो एक YouTuber है with some 200k
Yes.
plus followers, right?
Yes.
Subscribers. तो डिप्लोमा डिस्टेंस लर्निंग के
Yeah.
साथ तो आप मैनेज कर ही रहे
Yeah.
हो. During your under full time undergrad also,
Yeah.
तब आप टाइम कैसे मैनेज कर पाते थे?
It's very easy, I'll be very honest. Freelancing में एक बहुत अच्छा benefit है कि if you want to, you can do a week worth of work in like 2 days. Like, trust me,
Wow.
yeah, you can definitely do that. And even the clients won't bug you. They are very, they have that work ethic, I feel. So that is something I used to do when I was in college. And
कितनी बार हुआ है कि क्लासमेट्स ने बोला यार केना थोड़ी सी कंसल्टिंग दे दो फ्री में, चेक आउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज, व्हाट इज
Yeah.
व्हाट्स नॉट.
Yeah.
कभी हुआ है क्या?
I get that a lot. I still say if you want any guidance, please hit me up on Instagram or LinkedIn. I would love to help you out. If you have any questions after this podcast, please let us know. I'm always willing to help. And बहुत बार हुआ है क्लासमेट ने बोला है कि यार कर दो ना, एक ही ऑडिट करना है, हेल्प कर दो. I obviously send them a bunch of voice notes and I send them a resources as well because execute करना है ना. मैं बोल दी, उसके बाद वो लोग ही भूल जाता है. So I want them to execute ताकि ये भूले ना. So yeah, then that's that.
Great. And final question,
Yeah.
अपनी साइड हसल के लिए आपके फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या हैं?
पैसा तो चाहिए, देखो स्केल करना है. But I've been there. I've made this mistake where scale करना है, but पैसा करके I used to forget the quality of work.
Right.
वो बहुत important है because I worked with a bunch of agencies. The only USP that you might have, or I am trying to work on it, is the quality of work. 3 client रखो यार, $1,000 charge करो, 3 client रखो, you'll be sorted. पैसा आएगा. If you're good at it, पैसा आएगा. Always keep that in mind. Because I was like, 2 lakh hit करना है, 3 lakh hit करना है, 4 lakh hit करना है, कि सब करेंगे. अगर काम अच्छा नहीं होगा तो कोई रहेगा नहीं. एक मंथ में होगा 4 लाख और एक मंथ में 1 लाख, नहीं चाहिए ना ऐसा. So yeah, you have to always keep in mind the quality of work.
Retention, right?
Exactly, retention.
Final question actually. I'm just curious now. How do you source clients, right? You said
Yes,
maybe
yes.
$1,000 के 3 clients.
Yes.
आप ये 3 clients को कैसे reach out करते हो,
Yeah.
target करते हो?
Thankfully, I have built personal brand. When it comes to LinkedIn, Instagram, तो कुछ नहीं है. So I personally don't get any clients from Instagram. It's sad, but I think that's a possibility as well, which I want to grow down the line. But as of now, I think LinkedIn is the way to go for me. I get a lot of inbound leads. Inbound मतलब होता है कि वो लोग reach out कर रहे हैं. So you have more leverage. Yes or no बोलने का, negotiate करने का possibility ज़्यादा है. LinkedIn and Twitter का जो प्रोफाइल है वही आपका पोर्टफोलियो है.
Great, Prerna. This was very, very insightful. Wishing you a
Lovely.
lot of luck
Thank
with
you
your.
so
I
much.
don't even want to say social media side hustle. Ab to it's a proper full-fledged
Yeah,
business.
thank you.
And I hope you're able to scale it up to great heights.
Perfect. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you.